Kwi-video edlule sihlaziye i-quotient rule. I-quotient rule nasi sibala kade sisebenzise ekuqaleni sibonile ukuthi kumele multiply i-derivative ye-function times i-function plus noma minus ke la i-function ne-derivative ye-function. Uma sithi ke lana derivative with respect to x ka 10x tangent x ubani? I-derivative with respect to x ka tangent x uba? Siyazi ukuthi u-tangent x uyafana no awuthi ngishintshe umbala. I-derivative ka tangent x uyafana nokuthi sin x over cosine x, sin x over cosine x. Sivale. Uyabona ukuthi masibhala kanje kungcono ngoba singa-apply kwi-quotient rule yethu futhi siyabona ukuthi nje besibhale ngale mbala yikuphi okumele kuphi. Kusho ukuthi u-sin x u-f of x, u-cosine x u-g of x, yabo. Asiqale ke siyibhale kahle njenge-quotient rule yethu la. Kumele sithi derivative ka sin x siyazi ukuthi cosine x times i-function cosine x bese sithi minus i-function sin x times i-derivative ka cosine x. Derivative ka cosine x siyazi ukuthi ubani u-negative sin x. Derivative ka cosine x u-negative sin x. So bhala la ukuthi sin x ebese ngoba kade ku-negative la sithi positive sin x ngoba negative no negative u-positive. Bese konke sizothi over i-denominator squared over cosine x squared, cosine x squared. Uma sekunjena ke singaphinde sikubhale sithi cosine times cosine u-cosine x squared noma cosine squared x bese sin times sin u-sin x squared noma sin squared x. Bese ke bese kunjena ke singathi u-cosine squared x times sin squared plus nxa sin squared x usinika ubani u1. Siyayazi le ukuthi trigonometric rule umthetho osetshenziswa kwi-trigonometry. Cosine squared x plus sin squared x usinika u1. Ngakho kusho ukuthi umphumela wethu walana kuzoba u1 over sibhale 1 over cosine x squared noma cosine squared x. 1 over cosine x squared noma 1 over cosine squared x into eyodwa. Lokho kuyafana nokuthi 1 over cosine x squared noma ukuthi 1 ukuthi secant nxase ukuthi secant x squared noma ukuthi secant squared x. Konke lokho into efanayo. Konke lokho into efanayo. Nanko ke i-quotient rule sesi-applyele kuma-function ethu la saphuma nomphumela othi quotient secant nxase squared x ku-tangent kwi-derivative ka-tangent x.